Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see some interesting content which was actually most of the people were asking whether is it possible to get the UX jobs in the other countries like internationally, how to look for the jobs and where we can find the opportunities outside of India. So maybe I think this video will be helpful for them. Let's get into that now. Before that, I want to introduce you towards something. People who are not only UX designers, but I'm an IT professional, I want to switch to US or I want to maybe look for a career in US, but I'm not getting a proper visa, I'm not getting a proper guidance. I think this might be helpful for you because there is no clear path in getting a permanent residence there. And I think currently we have the categories of EV2 and EV3 Visa, where EV2 stands for people who have completed their master degree or a specialization, and EV3 for people who have done their bachelor degree. I think for this visa, there is a longer wait time, decades of time you need to wait for if you apply for those. And one more visa called H1BA, which is like a lottery visa. Like it's very rare to get selected in those visa, and this is applicable for the people who has the employment in US. But how to go to US without any employment offers, but you have some exceptional skills that you can showcase? There is one more visa called EV1A, which is also known as Einstein's Visa, because Albert Einstein have gone to US through this visa. EV1A visa totally eliminates the employee dependency. So how you can apply for this? Here's one of my client, Kumarasundar Muthuvel, who's an extraordinary mentor, EV1A achiever. He's currently in US with a permanent residence and also a green card holder. He's providing the extraordinary program for this, including few of the courses, bi-weekly webinars, community space, resources and templates. With this, you can be able to get EV1A visa within a year or two. I think the wait time is very less comparing to other categories. It's 8 to 23 months. If you want to understand about this more, you can talk to him for 15 to 30 minutes, schedule a call by using the link in description and know more about it for free. Now let's see the websites where you can look for international opportunities for UX jobs. I think you have already heard about. You can just go to LinkedIn, go to jobs, specify the location, search for the opportunities. You might be able to get lots of opportunities here. And then same with Glassdoor and same with Indeed. And the next interesting one is AIGA design jobs. So you can search for user experience jobs, enter your location and search for the opportunities you can be able to find here, the international ones. And another one is UX job boards, where you will be able to find lots of UX designer jobs all around the world. So you can apply from here as well. You can see which is full-time, part-time, freelance, contract jobs and internships. And finally, here you have another one called UXPA International. You can apply for the jobs like anywhere in the world here. But like before that, like if you want to know a lot of things about applying international, or if you want to learn from here, you can go to Career Resources and search for the jobs. So where you can be able to know what you need to do for a job search and what you need to do for a salary negotiation and how to create a resume portfolio and how to tackle the interviews. So you have the details here, you have the guide here. I give all the links in description. Maybe you can check them if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. If you are interested, I can discuss more about the salaries that you get for UX jobs out of India and also how to prepare for the international interviews. Put your thoughts in comment section. I'll meet you on the next video. Till then, bye-bye.